Today I'm in a very special place. It's the Hermitage de Galamus. It's a beautiful hermitage cave, church, chapel in a gorge, not so far from Mount Bugarash. I'm just showing you this extraordinary cave and the beautiful light. And my friend here has also come to pray. We've just spoken. And I'm going to do a short meditation and play the gong gently, as they said they'd like that, the people upstairs who run this place. But this is an extraordinarily holy place. And you can see even the cross is representing joy and the resurrection and not the pain and suffering. And from about the 13th century at least, hermits, holy people gathered here, lived here. And it's said that Mary Magdalene came here. And the energy is so special and beautiful, utter beauty here of nature, but a presence of love. So I wish to bring that to you today. So I'm just going to put this down and lead us a little bit in a meditation. Okay, I'm going to have to turn myself around. I haven't quite figured this out. Okay, so I am here and I can't see, because now the video is on, I can't turn it around. Okay, so I invite you to take some gentle and deep breaths, really feeling into your body. And today we're activating the energies of Mary Magdalene and the Christ consciousness, which is actually integrating into all of us and into humanity at this time. The road was closed as I was driving here, and I had to go across a very tiny bridge. And it felt symbolic. It felt like in these times we're being asked to be courageous and to keep going no matter what. So as you breathe, really feel into your body, really allowing your body to be how it is. And if you are in pain, we're just calling on the highest healing to come and soften and release all pain and suffering for all beings, activating peace on earth, love, cooperation, compassion, mercy, gratitude. So feeling into your heart. Our hearts really are leading, or it's better when they lead our brains and not the other way around. We are beings of the heart, of love, and love is activating right now, even though it may appear not at times. So I invite you to really breathe into your heart. Feel your heart's magnificence and your dreams, your wishes, your prayers. Notice thoughts. As we come into deeper presence of love, the thoughts diminish and they become higher thoughts, less worry or fear. And often fear is simply adrenaline. And activating now our connection to source, to love, to light, to God, whatever words or contexts you use. And now I'm going to play the gong for a few moments from Gorge de Galamus, the Hermitage, and activating the consciousness within us of the divine feminine and the divine masculine, and activating the new earth of absolute love, cooperation, joy. It is our nature. It's the time to come together in prayer. And prayer that is not just like requests or shopping lists, but prayer that is deep silence and listening. It's time to come together in circles, to connect, to live in love, to help one another, to be in joy, and to really be there for each other, all those who are suffering, so that this can be soothed, released, as we send a healing balm of golden light around the world. So now I play a little bit, and I hope that I'm in the right place, because I can't see what the phone sees, because I'm not so good with technology. Okay. this love vibration, our intentions, our prayers, our dreams, our wishes, out into the world as magic, miracles, manifestation, cooperation is happening. So much love to you all.